All right. Here we are. Let's see. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try a piece from this side, which of course is not as coated as this side. You can see because I didn't dip it. However, doesn't mean it's not delish. Mmm. Very good. All right, so let me try from right here. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Definitely like the double dip better than the not. So, putting all of these. See, this is how you just experiment and learn. I know there are 50 million other people out there that probably have better, perfect, awesome recipes. But this is real life. This is like tried and true. You know, like experiment. Put your favorite ingredients in a bowl and then learn how to bake your certain meats at certain temperatures, which I'm trying to share here. All right, now let's try our little guy. Mmm, delicious. Mmm, mmm, okay. I will say, the olive oil really, I think, kept it juicy and from drying out as much, or not being on the rack, of course, because there's less air hitting it. You can hit up my smart people or my classmates that know more on this. Hey, I will say, I did get my associate's degree with a 4.0, summa cum laude, because when you actually try to apply yourself, you'd be amazed what you can do. High school, not so much. And I got my bachelor's, cum laude. So I'm not a dummy, but all I'm saying is they may have so many better recipes out there than what I have. I'm just sharing. Oh, as a matter of fact, I think I want to dip some of these in there as well. Bella's not going to eat. I'm not going to have her. I'm not going to give her all of these, so. And no, I know, I'm horrible at video, but it's okay. You get it, right? Or you'll take mercy on me. Please. All right. Just gonna do a few of them. Number one, I don't want to waste the marinade. Number two, it's super good. And start thinking of other things you could use this marinade for, like, I don't know, certain vegetables, like carrots, roasted carrots. Could probably dip them in this. It's sort of like a soy sauce, brown sugar teriyaki. And actually, it was my mistake. That's why I always tell you to look at the shaker. Like when you go to add a spice, look to see, like, did you open the side that's gonna dump it all in or not? Because that's exactly what happened. This is exactly why I have so much of this marinade, is because I wasn't paying attention. And I basically dumped a bunch of soy sauce into the recipe or into the bowl, which I did definitely not intend to do. So then I was like, all right, well, now you're gonna have to add a bunch of brown sugar and hot sauce and all of these other things to make up for it, because I sure as heck didn't want to waste it. So anyway, all right, I think that's plenty, because I want to save some for Bella. All right, this is where I'm at. $6:42. All right, so I'm going to do 6 minutes and 22 seconds again, just to be difficult. It's at 410 degrees. I know. This is a long process. It's on the middle rack, in case you didn't know. But I can tell you, it's delicious already. So